This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Hello guys, there are many students who are calling us regularly and asking a very simple question. Sir, I'm a fresher, but I want to give an attempt. Can you guide us? I really don't understand when students who have not even completed the subject, they just want to give an attempt, and even after repeated request they do attempt. So at least to ensure you're not disappointed, I want to give you certain tips on the areas that you need to focus. But before that, if possible, avoid writing for CSP, that is Civil Services Prelims, and focus on IFOS, Forest Service. Prelims will be same for both. If at all you feel you're taking the risk, don't lose an attempt, because first attempt is the best attempt. Preserve it and give when you're sure. But sir, I want to see how UPSC is. Then I'll give you a plan. See, first of all, completing a subject will take time. Notification is out, time is very limited. Now my suggestion to you is, every subject has some areas where questions are coming repeatedly. Let me say, in economy, in the last 7 or 8 years, you have got some 153 questions. Out of this 153 questions, money and banking, right? Budget or public finance, external sector, WTO and other organizations, plus schemes. These 4 topics are almost 105 questions, guys. Inflation, right? Some other areas, 5-6 questions are there. But these form 105 out of 153. So my suggestion to you is, don't go much behind. Take last 7 years question papers, choose a subject of your choice, right? 3 hours you analyze that subject, and first try to complete those areas from where more number of questions are coming, right? You do this for the following subjects: modern history, polity, economy, geography. Economy, I would suggest do economic survey as well. Ancient and medieval history, art and culture, ancient and medieval history, art and culture, environment and ecology, science and technology, economic survey and budget. At least these guys mandatorily you see and practice this. You don't go with test series and all, where like, you take test series, you see how well you're performing and all. Focus more on studies because you have not yet done, right? So test series people will feel, okay, I did test series, I cleared. That was an era when questions used to come. But now not even a single question will come from test series. Test series is to analyze, practice, help you out to ensure, okay, in the exam, if similar questions come, how will I be able to do? Test series is important, but not when you don't know anything. What is the use? Every day you read, you solve, but you don't know the concepts, you're not giving enough time to the areas from where questions will come, useless. So this is the focus, guys, of yours. And then do some things where you have questions from schemes, international organizations. Give some time for these areas. And trust me, that would fetch you good marks, and at least you will be satisfied in your preparation. If at all you could complete these things, then try to read the remaining parts. Ethics, world history, post-independence India, international relations, internal security, social justice, not required during this 100 days. Just focus on prelims. If at all you're trying to think, let me see, right? After this you can focus on mains. But as of now, next 100 days, work on these cautiously. I hope that should be easy for you to be closer to your goal. Fine? But apply for IFOS compared to IAS. Fine, guys? I hope it was helpful. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.